The devastating efficiency of combat drones in modern warfare has rewritten military doctrines worldwide. From Ukraine's fields to West Asia, these inexpensive weapons have proven that they are capable of neutralizing billion-dollar assets, and now Iran aims to amplify this advantage with its groundbreaking drone carrier vessel that it is flaunting. Take a look at this report.
Drones have reshaped the battlefield. From Ukraine's skies to West Asia, these low-cost, high-impact weapons are proving deadlier than ever. Precision strikes, kamikaze attacks and relentless surveillance, drones are rewriting the rules of war. Now, Iran is taking this airborne menace to the seas. In a bold display of maritime muscle, Iran has thrust itself into an elite club of nations with advanced naval capabilities. The Islamic Republic's newest weapon, Shahid Baheshti, a sophisticated drone carrier, threatens to reshape naval warfare in the Persian Gulf and beyond. This 180-meter floating fortress represents Tehran's most ambitious naval undertaking to date, boasting capabilities that extend far beyond conventional warships. The vessel's year-long operational range without refueling poses fresh challenges to regional military dynamics. What sets this carrier apart is its versatility in launching an array of unmanned aerial vehicles, including the sophisticated Qaher drone, a miniaturized version of Iran's indigenous fighter jet. The vessel's adaptation from a commercial container ship to a military asset demonstrates Iran's growing prowess in naval innovation and its determination to counter Western maritime dominance. This development coincides with Iran's unveiling of an underground missile facility. Tehran says the facility has hundreds of cruise missiles capable of countering enemy destroyers' electronic warfare. Last month, Iran's Revolutionary Guard unveiled an underground naval base for assault boats operating in Iran's southern waters, which include the Gulf and the strategic Strait of Hormuz. The timing of this revelation, amidst escalating regional tensions, sends a clear message about Iran's military preparedness.